How you doing? So here we are. You guys saw the last one where I was here and all the snow was down here. It's the 15th of April 2023. Made some GOPRO at the airport. Who wants to go home? So I'm out of here, man. I'm gonna go home, do some videoing, gonna run out and talk to the new guy with my convertibles at. Probably get it out here in a couple weeks before we go to we'll see those later on, obviously, the Virginia Beach. So here we are. You guys saw last time I was here on the GoPro 10. This is on the DJI. So we'll see where this road goes to. Part 2, right? A little sprinkling out today. Got a jacket on. I got shorty shorts on. Smoking a cigar. Life is good. Bryant Lake's in the distance here, so I have no idea what's at the end down here. So see where it goes to. I'm not here to destroy anything. I've listened to a couple YouTubers. I guess you can't videotape in national parks or something. I don't know whether that's going on, whatever it is. I don't know what the big deal is. You want to just video. They want people to videotape in the national parks because then people want to come see it. That's what it's all about. Well, I was talking to Melissa. What's his name? He's saw him here in town one time. A YouTuber goes around. He's always going places, you know. The other guy I like. A couple guys that I like. Ouch. They're pretty good. So show you things you want to go see, right? Mobile instinct, really good. So that's you go fishing down there if you want. That's part of Bryant Lake. I fished down there before a long time ago, so guarantee those fish because you can get them at the building over here. There's a couple places I want to go fishing over on the other side, the offshoot. So the place that I was at, you guys saw before, they have all those bass down there. I want to go fishing down there this year. I'm gonna go down there. Have her just drop me off instead of parking the car somewhere I don't want to get broken into and go fishing. So go down there. So I like those kind of places off the beaten track, like over here. You know, there's all kinds of fish in there, sunfish and bass, and that's what's fun. Going to just some place that, you know, like my cabin, it's a lot of sunfish in there. So no idea where this goes to. Could just be a babbling video, who knows. But it's a nice day. I mean, there's a light rain, nothing overly that bad. You know, down here it's beautiful. So you know, four-wheelers come down here. I still like. I mean, I like Shady Oak. It's because it's there's no public launch, so you can fish off that. I can fish off the what do you want to call it? The pipe and stuff, and a lot of sunfish in there. You get worms and you can catch all kinds of fun stuff. Bass in northern, so not much in the walleye. So kind of feel like you're in a ghost town out in Colorado. Just follow the road, right? I do want to go to that Keystone, Montana. So feeling he probably whoever lived here. So we'll see where the road goes. That was nice all week today. That's the first time I had a camera in my hand for a week. Just you get stuff done. You put it up. I did a lot of drive videos you guys have seen every other day. Get that stuff done. Those are fun to drive around and do. So, I mean, and doing the Corey Adam at large. When you get a chance to do some of those are kind of fun. Pretend you're somebody else. They believe it, they hear it, right? Like I said before, you know, Angry Grandpa was just an actor. As Billion says, it's just the internet, right? I saw him on an interview today. Some guy was interviewing him on the deck. I disagree with him. Pickle boy, you shouldn't need to clickbait. That's what I'm doing, walking down the road. Cigar and all. I disagree. Disagree. This is what you're doing. I saw Wandering Gypsy did a couple cool videos. She was at a town. It was kind of cool with her friends. You know. Yeah, all the snow's gone. So Bryant Lake is it's a lot of carp, but it's a lot of bass in northern, and that does have a public launch. All the firewood. Come down here and camp, right? Sneak by and put up a tent. What's over the hill, huh? Let's go look, right? It's trying to rain a little bit, get a little wet, but shouldn't be too bad. Here we are. Huh. So there's Bryant Lake over there. You know. Yeah, it's kind of a cold, wet, dreary day, raining outside. See where it goes. It's nice. The frontage road goes along 494. Oh, all the way over to here to no trespassing, right? Shame. I found a little walk. What the hell? So something must be on the side of there. So, I think I'd probably go Sioux Value. So, yep. No trespassing. Shame on you. Kind of back. That'd be great for a movie back in there. Private property. Yep. Can't go any farther than this. Oh, I can if I wanted to. I can go around, right? Look, I'm gonna break the rules. I'm gonna trespass. That behavior, huh? Look at this. I'm being shamed. I'm trespassing. So who knows how far that goes. So yeah, I've trespassed like a dumbass white boy would, so I don't know how far that goes, but it is what it is. So anyways, figured we'll kind of walk over here a little bit. I'm shameful. So I don't know how far it goes. Probably around the corner here. So. So anyways, we're going to take the microphone off. Do another one, but anyways, guys, so hope you enjoyed the little walk in the rain, right? Kind of looks like it goes for a while, so yeah, I'm breaking rules and trespassing. I get it. Anyways, guys, something's back in here. Is there like a meth farm back in here? All right, guys, somewhere in Eden Prairie, smoking a cigar, walking along in the rain. I'm going to take the microphone off. I'll see you guys next time.